Okay, you want me to remove the hard disk and put that hard disk instead? If this 240 GB inside, that hard drive we can use for external for this. No, to okay, if you want to save the file, you save it. One 20 volt watt load है ना तो 120 watt और 19.5 4.62 ये चलो DA कैसा D तो यूनिवर्सल
तो बांधने के